Now we are discussing about information technology. In that today we are discussing about top 8 algorithms every programmer should know. Algorithms. An algorithm is a set of commands that may be followed to solve a problem or carry out a calculation. It is a specific collection of instructions that, when implemented in a software or hardware based procedure, carry out activities that have been predetermined step by step. In the fields of mathematics and computer science, the term algorithm most often refers to a concise method that is used to resolve a recurring issue. Here are 8 common types of algorithms for you. Take a quick look at it. Next, first point is sorting. 8 algorithms are there. In that, first algorithm is sorting algorithms. Sorting is most important. Sorting is a basic activity in computer science, and these are a number of effective algorithms available to perform this action. Some examples of these algorithms are quick sort, merge sort, and heap sort. For all these algorithms, in C and C++, very good algorithms are there for sorting data also. In Java also, algorithms are available. And in PHP also it will be available. That is your choice to take the language selection. And the second algorithm is a search algorithm. It is a typical job to search for an element in a big data set, and there are various effective algorithms for doing so, such as binary search and hash tables. Looking for an element in a large data set is a common activity. But in olden days, in COBOL likewise, search algorithms means substring command they are using. In that substring, first it will select first alphabet. If first alphabet is filtered, then second 1 and 2 alphabet will be selected, and then third alphabet. Likewise, search data will be reduced for the time being. First 1 alphabet you are in selection means 1 lakh data may be there, for example. If it is 2 means it will be reduced to 50,000 data. If it is 3, substring of 3, if you take it, it will be reduced to 25,000. Likewise, only one option will be available finally in search algorithm. A search algorithm is a very beautiful algorithm. Everyone should know and should know the logic in that also. But in search algorithms also you can use old COBOL and C language and C++ and Java also as you like. That is according to your choice and your acquainted command and the language also you can use. And third algorithm is graph algorithms. Graph algorithms are utilized to resolve issues related to graphs, such as finding the shortest route between 2 nodes or identifying whether a graph is linked. Examples of problems that may be solved using graph algorithms, including finding the shortest path between 2 nodes. And fourth is dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a method for resolving issues by first dividing them up into more manageable super problems, subproblems, and then storing the answers to these subproblems so as to avoid doing computations more than once. And next, fifth algorithm is greedy algorithms. Greedy algorithms are used to solve optimization issues by selecting the option that is locally optimal at each stage in the process in the hopes of eventually locating the option that is optimal on a global scale. And next point is divide and conquer. A paradigm for the construction of algorithms that is known as divide and conquer. Divide and conquer is a kind of recursion that has several branches. A method known as divide and conquer takes a complex issue and breaks it down into a series of smaller issues of the same or similar kind, which are then simplified until they can be resolved in their entirety. And the next is algorithm, seventh algorithm is backtracking. Backtracking is a general algorithm technique that abandons a particular path as soon as it determines that it can't be part of the solution. Backtracking searches every possible combination in a methodical manner and abandons a path as soon as it determines that it can't be part of the solution. And the eighth algorithm is randomized algorithm. Randomized algorithms are approaches to solving problems that make use of chance rather than a predetermined pattern. It is possible to use it to increase the average case complexity of a problem or to solve problems that can't be solved deterministically. Both of these applications are valuable. This is the information regarding algorithms every programmer should know. If every programmer should know all these 8 algorithms, means you will be logically very good in application programming, then your future in software programming, nobody can stop you. So almost all should follow these 8 algorithms, should understand, and should have a logics also in your personal folder, temporary folder, in your name folder. You create in your system, please create in your name one folder. In that logical algorithms, in that these 8 algorithms, 8 programs should be there with accurate way, with your acquainting and experiencing and commanding language. It may be C++, old COBOL, or C language, C++, or Java, or J2EE, whatever it may be. What language you select according to your project, what language you are using. In that language may be different, but algorithms are same, logics are same. You should find out that these 8 logics, if you keep in your personal folder, computer folder, then you will be quick and you are king in algorithms to do and to run the programs without any doubt. And 5 mantras are also there for application programming, especially entry, modify, delete, view, print. All these 5 small snippets also you should maintain in another folder regarding application programming for all these entry, modify, delete, view, print. These logical programs, if you keep in your personal folder, then you need not worry about any type of programming. Functions may be different, and volumes may be different, and domains may be different, subject may be different, but logics will not cross over between these 5 application programming methods: entry, modify, delete, view, print. And as well as in algorithms, so these 8 algorithms, if you keep one folder, then you will be king in the world, especially in programming. Wishing you all the best.